What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're just gonna see something. If you follow the channel, and you have followed the channel, or even if you've just a little bit followed the channel, you might have picked up that I'm very much in love with Ultima Waterless Wash Plus Concentrate. It is a very bang for your buck type product. The smell's amazing. It works extremely well. I've compared it to other products in the past, and I still have yet to find something that I personally, and obviously detailing is an opinion based, opinion driven, in my opinion type scene, but I've just had a hard time finding something to replace this. I've dealt with Blackfire in the past. I've come across some good ones. I've come across some stinkers. I used to really love Blackfire Wet Diamond. I still have quite a bit of it. I'm gonna probably give my old stock to some friends, pick up an updated one, and just see, because I've had it for a long time, see if it's any different. I've always been that guy that was Mr. Sealant, paint sealant, and wax topper, spray wax topped type product. I've just liked sealants more than coatings. My babyed vehicles will get coatings just because I've found G-Technic now. I've had issues with other coatings in the past. But anyway, we're moving off track here. I found this. It's probably pretty much the same thing except a different color and a different scent. I still like this scent more, but I did give this a whiff of Rooney. Now I haven't poured this or done anything yet. And this has more of it's a clean smell like that, except it's got like a hint of lemon. Now when you mix this, it's a concentrate that is a 1 part concentrate to 48 parts water in a spray bottle. So what I want to know, if I can get the same value. So what I'm going to do is this product right here, and I know this, goes, you're supposed to read the instructions, I want to know if this is going to stack up to the same deal. So if this is half an ounce for 22 ounces, that's 1 ounce for 44 ounces. This would technically be 1 ounce for 48 ounces. So here's the deal. I don't want to get nitpicky. I'm just going to do the exact thing that I would normally do. So what I do is I put the 1 ounce of this product in a 32 ounce spray bottle. That's just been what's worked for me. So I'm going to put 1 ounce of this. Even though I'm a little over diluting it, I'm definitely over diluting it for Ultima. So I just want to see, this isn't like a crazy comparison. This is kind of like an introduction. So I will not be using Ultima today, but I just want to see 1 ounce in here topped off. What do we got? Some of you are going to say, where's your funnel? I'm lazy. This product just showed up, so I had to stop lifting in the garage to come out here and do this, and oh well, that's what we're going to do. And we're going to take our distilled water. We're going to basically pour 31 ounces. I can tell you right now, I really do like the color. The scent is actually pretty cool. It's like I said, a little bit of a lemony lime thing. It's kind of difficult. I don't really have a very dirty vehicle at the moment. Whoa, look at this. The hood is so slick. The camera was falling off of it. Okay. Anyway, let's see what we got here. Slipping again. I'll be damned. Okay, let me just see. I'll know right away. Wow. I really think it's the same thing. Auto Geek, Palm Beach Motoring, or whatever it is, that's who sent this, and they're known for companies like Blackfire and Wolfgang and all of them to share the same exact product, different scents and colors. So I honestly wouldn't doubt this. I mean, the cool thing about this is it's kind of something that would be like, is this a scent preference? Let's just see what it does here. I like how it sticks pretty good to the window. Let's see if it flashes off. Flashes off pretty decent. I would say it's the same product. I don't know. You guys know how I feel about waterless washes and stuff, so anytime I can find something, especially a concentrate, I'm all about that. Really all about that. So let's see what we got here. The real test is going to be when the track hawk comes back, honestly. Alright, this flashes off really nicely. I'm feeling like it's very slick to the touch. I really feel like this is the same thing. Look at that. Jesus Christ, it slid right off the hood. I gotta tell you guys, it's really funny. Now that the Tahoe's in the garage for the past like 2 weeks, basically, the Trackhawk's been gone, so the Tahoe's been getting all the love, and I'm messing around with so much product that it's just, the vehicle's so slick, it's like really ridiculous. Well, small introduction, very small introduction. I think we're gonna have to do a side-by-side video. But wow, look at that, it's like neon jisms. But yeah, just to let you know, there's other things out there that might compete with Ultima, but my problem is I think it's the same thing, just a different color and a different scent and a different label. So it's going to come down to what tickles your fancy. I believe it's even the same price. It's pretty much the same dilution ratio. Do you like yellow or do you like green?